Make room for Javi.
Last month in May, my cousin Alex dropped by and said, "Hey Jav, why don't I bring my tractor next month and we can make quick work of all these logs blocking your way to clearing Stump Island." So here it is, June 2019, and Al has come by with his tractor. Sure enough, as promised, we've spent the morning clearing the bulk of the logs. I can't thank Alex and his brother Israel enough for all their help throughout the past year. While I visit and attack the property a few days to a couple weeks a month, thanks to their help, I've managed to make the most of my visits out there. Now, it was at this point that Alex said, this log's a little too big for the tractor, so I decided to use the truck. Unfortunately, the chain that he had with him was not sufficient for the task, so I grabbed a nice thicker chain and, well, it did the job. And now, the pinnacle of Stump Island.
Make room for Javi.